Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am discuss this important question 3x minus 5 this one. This is the symbol for student absolute value. Absolute value question and absolute value know about absolute represent the distance which is always positive. So student 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 and 4 is a positive. So this is a possible question. Now you can find how to find this question. So check this now 3x minus 5. So this is an absolute value and absolute means always positive. Means if absolute of a 6, this is a 6, and if the absolute of minus 6, this is also equal to 6. Okay, means when we open the absolute, you can use plus minus. So for this plus and minus, there are two values. Then you can solve this question in two different steps. First, 3x minus 5 equal to plus 4 and 3x minus 5 equal to minus 4. And other one is very simple question. 4 minus 5, this becomes a plus 5 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9 and 3 multiply then divide. 9 divided by 3 and x is equal to 3. This one. And now similarly 3x minus 5, it becomes plus 5 and result is 1. 3 multiply, it becomes a divide and then result 1 by 3. This one. So student, these are two value for x. In absolute value question, it means x is in absolute value and it may be 3 or 1 over 3. And this is your final result, this is a final solution. If you want to check these values, then you check it, put these value in this, and both right hand side and left hand side are equal, and the final result, this is your final solution. After checking, it is sure that you are sure that these two values are the exact solution set of this given absolute valued equation. I hope you understand this important and easy question. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.